10th grade exam success easy tips for 2024. Hey students, ready for some quick tips to rock your 10th grade exams in 2024? Let's dive in. First step, make a study plan. Create a simple timetable. Balance time for each subject. Number 2, choose subjects wisely. Focus more on trickier subjects. Play to your strengths if you can. Smart study tricks. Try summaries, flashcards, or mind maps. Find what helps you remember best. Number 4, regular note reviews. Keep revising your notes, keep your memory fresh. Number 5, practice with old papers. Grab old question papers and practice them. Understand the exam pattern, how the questions are giving in the exams. Stay healthy, get good sleep, eat well, and take short breaks. And join classes chats, engaging in class discussions, study with friends, it's fun. Time management is very important. Watch the clock during exam. Don't get stuck. Come back later. Stay positive. Keep smiling. Managing stress with breaks. Ask the doubts and helps to your teachers or friends. Don't hesitate to seek support. As we wrap up, remember to enjoy the journey, not just the destination. Good luck with your 2024 exams. If these tips hit the mark, give us the thumbs up, share the love, and hit the subscribe button. Until next time, happy studying.